Hey fine folks, it's America from America's Abstracts bringing you a fresh new video. I was gonna upload another video, but sadly I'm going to have to do some repair work to end up making it sellable because I made the mistake of setting another one of my projects on top of it. Wah, wah, wah. Well, so aside from that, I decided to film these set of coasters that I'm working on for a commission. Now, this person wanted me to take the inspiration from a sea turtle, and sea turtles, as well as red pandas, are my two favorite animals. So I was so excited to be able to kind of play around with what colors I feel represented sea turtles and just the general aura of that. So I used a lot of, teals, turquoises, a little bit of gold, a little bit of darker brown, but still sparkly, because I ended up using a lot of my This Little Piggy pigment, and as you know, I got quite a few of them as I pull these suckers out. I'm not a paid affiliate of This Little Piggy. I just really like them a whole bunch, but look at how pretty they are. They're just so pretty. I may not usually be a fan of pink, but I really love this fluorescent. But I digress. Okay, so for these coasters, I am using mostly This Little Piggy pigments. There are a two paints that I'm using just so I can get that depth with my pigments. Just for beautiful layering. So I really hope that you enjoy this. If you guys have any suggestions of something theme-wise you'd like to see me try to pull off, like color palette-wise, let me know in the comments. I'm always down to try out new things and get out of my comfort zone a little bit. So without further ado, I will have all the colors listed in the description as well as they are popping up when I use them. So let's get to it.